Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on Sony Bravia Smart TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by hitting the Home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the System Preferences section and then click Language. You can now change to whatever language you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Sony Bravia tips and tricks.